Employees of nationalized banks today held a public demonstration at the premises of the State Bank of India in Shillong to protest against the government's intention to privatize them. Speaking to the media, the organizing secretary of All India Bank Officers Confederation, Davis Lingdo, said that all the banks across the country will remain closed on the 15th and 16th of this month as a mark of protest against the government of India to privatize all the nationalized banks. Lingdo also urged the esteemed depositors and public to cooperate with the agitating bank employees.
Under the banner of United Forum of Bank Union, this is the largest organization of all the bank unions with the constituents from each and every bank. We represent the officers and the workmen unions. This agitation program that we are having for so long, and this dharna on this day and the subsequent agitation program that we'll be having in the coming days is basically to oppose the move of the government to privatize the public sector bank. In the last budget, the government had announced that in this budget session, within this financial year, the government aims to privatize 2 public sector banks. So they have not disclosed which are the banks which are going to be privatized, but they have announced. So we feel that this move of the government to privatize the public sector bank is detrimental to the country. We are not fighting for ourselves. Many people are of the opinion, or rather they are having a wrong opinion, that these bank people are on a strike because of maybe a salary revision or because of some money issues, but it is not that. We are fighting here not for ourselves, but we are fighting for the people, because this move of the government is anti-people. It's going to hurt, it's going to be detrimental to the common people.